Hey, Jungle Explorer here, and today I'm going to be showing you the Goture Xceed 80 MHC casting rod. And Goture Company sent me this and asked me to do a review for it, so that's what I'm doing here. And I've done several reviews for Goture rods in the past and always found them to be really good. And like always, I'm going to put them in the field, take it in the field and test it out for you. But let's go ahead and see what they sent me here. First of all, I'm really impressed. This is a nice carry case here with a strap. It's hard. Got a little zipper up here. Open it up. Out comes the rod. And it's in a separate package. This is a nice travel case, man. I can't tell you how many times I've wanted a good travel case for a rod, and they already sent one with it, so that's a real bonus right there. Okay, comes with a nice little nylon case here. Open it up. All the pieces are separated out here, like so. Turn this around. Okay, so let's start getting the pieces out. Reach up in here, pull the pieces out. Nice little rod base there, handle, like that. And this is the tip. I'm going to have to push it from the back here a little bit. Alright, 4 pieces. Nice case to hold it in there. Let's fold that up. Take a look at what we got here. I like this. Got the nice stainless steel reel clamp there. Got the neat, nice foam handles here for casting. It's long, so that's also good. All right, let's. I've got a Goture reel here that they sent me to do this review with. So let's pull this out. This is the Goture Xceed reel. I'm gonna pair this baby up with this nice rod here. Let's go ahead and do that. See how easy that goes on. That on there. Nice, look at that. Really nice looking, feels good. Need to get me some line on it. So I'm going to be spooling it up with some Goture 30-pound braid. That's what I use for my baseline, and fish with that. And I'll put a fluorocarbon leader on this. So I got my home built. Let me move my rods out of the way here. So I've got my little home built spool holder here to hold the spool of line on. Just put this in this side here. Run it through and ready to spool this baby up. Got my home built spool holder here, made out of some cedar boards. You know me, always making stuff out of repurposed materials. I'll throw a link to this little spool, how I built this little spool holder up in the corner there. A little card will pop up on YouTube, and you can click on that link. You can go there, and I'll also have a link in the description of the video. So we'll just spool this baby up and head to the lake. All right, so I've got the rod outside here. Take a look at it where I can hold it out straight. This is an 8-foot rod, so it's kind of hard to shoot indoors with it. This is, again, the Goture 804 or 804 MHC. Man, real nice, straight. Got the Goture Xceed reel on here, 8-ball bearing, 7-to-1 gear ratio. I think it's got an 18-pound drag on it. Let's get it out there. We're gonna take it to the lake, hook in some fish, and I'll catch some action cam footage for you and show you what what it does there, and then we'll come back and I'll talk about how it did. Alright guys, that was an exciting video there for you. I caught a lot of fish, caught a couple of really nice carp out there at the big lake. That was a 2-day fishing trip. Went to a big lake on one day and to a city park lake on the next day. But I caught a couple of big carp at the big lake on the first day, and those carp were probably in the 10 pound range, maybe a little bit more. I had a little trouble with some of my cameras and didn't quite catch the exact footage I wanted, but there was enough for you to tell. They gave a big pull to this rod, man. I'm talking, they had it doubled up, and them things had some afterburners. They had a lot of energy. You know, you might be asking, why does he only fish for carp? Why doesn't he go after bass or something like that? Well, honestly, how many 10-pound bass have you caught in your life, okay? It's a lot easier to catch a 10, 12-pound carp than it is a 10-pound largemouth bass. So I'm going to go after what fights hard and puts the rod to the test. I was actually trying to catch some buffalo, which I can catch in the 20-pound range, but due to the hurricane Dorian, I think it is, it's in off the Atlantic, we're under a high pressure system, and boy, it was really hard to catch fish. I mean, I bet I put in a good, 14, 16 hours fishing and caught really 4 or 5 nice fish. You can always catch little fish, but that's not putting a rod like this to the test. So I wanted to catch something that really had power. And carp, buddy, they have power. They really put it on. And them big ones, you could see the rod was just bending over, and they were pulling. They were stripping drag. Of course, they were never going to break this 30-pound Goture braid, buddy. I got it snagged one time in the rocks, and I almost never broke it. The reel handled everything just fine. It was fun to cast. You saw it in the video, especially the body cam video where you can see me reeling it up. I love the big handles on it. Everything, just really worked good. But the rod was the main winner here. I love this rod. I've been using a lot of the Goture's telescopic rods, and those have been great. But this is an 8-footer, and it's a 4-piece, and it just seemed to have a lot more of that good, sensitivity to it. You could really feel things lightly. It had just right enough stiffness. I was able to throw even a 3-ounce lead weight with it, no problem. But it also has a nice flexibility when you're gutting a fish, and it gives you that fight, that limber fight out there. The 8-foot was just the right size for most things. I really like it. So I really like this rod right here, and going to be putting this to some more fishing in the near future. As soon as I get my boat motor fixed, I'm going after some big time buffalo. Maybe catch some footage of that. I'll post it on my Facebook page. Check out my Facebook page on my Facebook channel, the Jungle Explorer, and just go there and check out any little videos I might post over there if I'm not making a full-fledged YouTube video. So check that out. Check me out on Twitter, Instagram. Guys, remember, in all my YouTube videos, there's going to be, the product links are going to be in the description underneath the video. Just click on the Show More button, and then you'll see those there. That way you don't have to look these things up if you're interested in buying them. I appreciate that. So the links will be down there. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please like, subscribe, and comment. Help me build the Jungle Explorer channel by sharing it on my videos on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, whatever out there. Man, I hope one day that I'm able to really go out and do some really amazing videos for you guys, doing some deep sea fishing, things like that. I'm working towards that goal, guys. So the faster I build my channel, the faster you get those videos. I really appreciate it. So like, subscribe, comment, share my videos, and until next time, this is the Jungle Explorer signing out.